We are at Valley Forge in Pennsylvania. Quite different than when George Washington and his men were here on December 19th, 1777. At that time, it was winter, snow. They were poorly provisioned. They were lacking food, clothing, shoes, just about everything that would keep you warm. The entire countryside was stripped of trees to build their shelters and to use the wood to keep fires to keep them warm. When they left in June 19th, 1778, this returned back to a country farm. This was the third year of an 8-year war, and the liberty of the nation depended on winning this war. Can you imagine training still in the winter? I mean, just because they ceased fighting with each other didn't mean they ceased training. And they trained to stand up to the best the British could send. Here's what the inside would have looked like. 3 high. And it looks like probably 1 wide. This is a commissioned officer's quarter, and as you can see, they live a lot better than the enlisted men. And I'm sure there was a difference in food. But considering what they're used to, even this is a hardship for them.